everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing another flip through of all of the countries that I've painted so far as part of my Earth Sketch Challenge. For those of you who don't know, I've challenged myself to paint every single country in the world using Google Earth. I've already painted every single country between A and G, and I've still got quite a long way to go, but I thought it was probably a good time to do another flip through and see what I've been up to. I've definitely been doing a lot of painting and yeah, I feel like I'm getting into the challenge part of this challenge now. It feels like I've been doing it for quite a long time and yet there's still so long to go. But for now, let's get into this giant pile of sketchbooks. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully that was enjoyable. If there's anything else you want to see from me, just let me know in the comments. But for now, I'll see you in the next one.